Okey, Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Untuk kali ini kita akan tengok pada welding defect. Okey, ini adalah contoh-contoh welding defect yang akan kita jumpa. Contohnya di butt joint lah, kita ada transverse, ada bit toe, di bahagian toe ni ada crack juga, root, fusion line, longitudinal dan ada memanjang. Ada selari dengan bit atau kumai, crater dan juga transverse. Transverse ni dia melintang kumai. Okay, crater crack occur when a crater is not filled before the arc is broken. This causes the outer edge of the crater to cool more quickly than the crater, which creates sufficient stress to form a crack. Benda ni berlaku bila kumai tu sejuk lebih cepat. Okay, lebih cepat jadi akan crack lah. Dia punya bentuk crack tu macam star tu. Head crack get their name from the shape of this cross section of the weld because the weld flare out at the face of the weld. The crack start at the fusion line and extend up through the weld. Ni head crack. Hot cracking, also known as solidification cracking, can occur with all metal and happen in the fusion zone of a weld. To diminish the probability of the type of cracking, excess material restraint should be avoided and a proper filler material should be utilized. Underbit crack, also known as a heat affected zone, HZ crack, is a crack that forms a short distance away from the diffusion line. It occurs in a low alloy and high alloy steel. The other factor that affect this type of crack is internal stress resulting from unequal contracting between the base metal and the weld metal. Okay, untuk defect wire burn back, possible cause drive rule in poor condition, excessive welding voltage, insufficient electrical streak out, contact tip in poor condition dan juga spatter on contact tip. Corrective action, first tighten, clean or replace drive rule. Kedua, reduce voltage, kurangkan voltage. Ketiga, increase contact tip to workpiece distance. Keempat, clean or replace contact tip. Dan kelima, remove spatter. Okey, untuk burn through pula, possible cause excessive ampere, improper travel angle, travel speed too low dan juga insufficient electrical stick out. Corrective action, reduce ampere, use a push angle, increase travel speed dan juga increase contact tip to work distance. Excessive ampere ni maksudnya lebihan arus lah. Okay, improper travel angle ni, travel angle dia tak sekata, tak constant. Travel speed too low ni, pergerakan tangan ni lambat. Insufficient electrical out ni masalah electrical lah. Okay. Okay, untuk incomplete penetration, possible cause pertama insufficient ampere, improper travel angle, excessive electrical stick out, weld joint too narrow. Weld joint too narrow ni maksudnya sambungan tu terlalu rapat lah. Okay, too narrow, kecil sangat. Corrective action, pertama increase ampere, kedua use less of drag angle, decrease contact tip to workpiece distance. Keempat, increase the opening of the weld joint. Okay, untuk distortion pula, distortion can pose a major problem since the final product is not the desired shape. The following picture describe the various type of welding distortion. Pertama, transverse shrinkage. Transverse shrinkage ni, shrinkage stress leading to a shortening of the member across the toe of the welded joint. Untuk angular distortion, weld zone transverse shrinkage stress not in the plane of the neutral axis leading to rotating of one member with respect to an adjacent member. Berdasar dia tegak, tapi bila dah habis dia meleding ke atas. Okay. Longitudinal shrinkage stress leading to a shortening of the member along the principal axis of the welded joint. Okay. Dia shrink di bahagian kimpalan, di bahagian HIZ ni, dia mengecil. Okay. Okey, untuk distortion, kita ada beberapa distortion. Pertama, fillet distortion lah. Okey, dia akan sengit bahagian tempat yang kita kimpal. Neutral axis distortion. Proper edge preparation and fit up. By making certain the edge are properly beveled and spacing is adequate, you can restrict the effect of distortion. Additionally, you should tack weld, especially on long joint. Tack weld should be spaced at least 12 inch apart and run approximately twice as long as the thickness of the weld. Salah satu cara untuk elakkan distortion pertama adalah tack weld lah. Tack weld kalau kimpalan tu panjang, contoh sehingga 150 hingga 300, kena buat banyak lah. Setup tacking tu kurang-kurang 10 hingga 12 inch. Okay, dan boleh diselang-selikan. Okay. Okay, control the heat input. The faster a weld is made, the less heat is absorbed by the base metal. An intermittent weld, sometimes called a skip weld, is often used instead of one continuous weld. Okay, maksudnya intermittent ni kita kimpal secara skip lah. Simpan sikit, lepas tu ada gap sikit, kita kimpal lagi sikit supaya elakkan distortion. When you are using an intermittent weld, a short weld is made at the beginning of the joint. Next, you skip to the center of the seam and weld a few inch. Then you weld at the other end of the joint. Finally, you return to the end of the first weld and repeat the cycle until the weld is finished. Preheat the metal. To control the force of expansion and contraction, you preheat the entire structure before welding. Maksudnya kena preheat dulu lah. Biasanya material tu agak sejuk ataupun ada wap air. Jadi kita kena preheat, buang wap air baru dia okey lah. After the welding is complete, you allow the structure to cool slowly. Maksudnya biar selepas habis tu, biar projek tu sejuk secara normal lah. Okay, jangan simbah air ke apa kan. Limit the number of weld pass. You can keep distortion to a minimum by using a few weld pass as possible. Maksudnya kurangkan larian. Contohnya kalau biasanya buat 5 larian untuk piping, kurangkan jadi 4 atau 3 lah. Okay, bagi kurangkan panas. Seterusnya, you should limit the number of weld passes to the number necessary to meet the requirement of the job. Use jig and fixture. Since holding the metal in a fixed position prevent excessive movement, the use of a jig and fixture can help prevent distortion. A jig or fixture is simply a device used to hold the metal rigidly in position during the weld operation. Okay, kena ikat lah ataupun kena ikat bahan kerja tu supaya tak bergerak, jadi kurangkan distortion lah. Allow for distortion. To reduce distortion, you angle the part to be welded slightly in the opposite direction which the contracting take place. When the metal cool, contraction force pull the piece back into position. Okay, ini adalah contoh macam mana kita nak allow distortion ataupun kita boleh panggil paraset. Contoh kalau kita untuk butt joint ni, kalau kita nak menyimpan di atas, kita kena paraset ke bahagian bawah. Jadi bila kita dah semasa menyimpan, dia automatik dia akan secara intuitif dia akan naik ke atas lah. Begitu juga macam butt joint ni. Okay, kalau contoh kita menyimpan di bahagian depan ni, kita kena paraset dia ke belakang. Jadi bila kita semasa menyimpan, dia akan automatik akan ke depan lah. Okay. Okay, sekian untuk topik defect. Assalamualaikum dan jumpa lagi.